Hey there everybody, Boyd back with you, and happy holiday season. Well, speaking of the holidays, guys, as a little Christmas treat for everybody here on the channel, I'm going to be working on a really special project. I'll be working on this at the same time as we're working on our Enterprise refit and our 72-inch Enterprise. This is a really cool kit. This is a 1-to-1 scale Nomad from the original Star Trek episode, The Changeling. You guys remember I built one of these up a while ago on the channel, maybe a couple years ago, just a small little resin replica that I had to do a whole lot of work on that to hollow it out and everything and put lighting in it. But this is a 1-to-1 scale kit. This is really, really cool. It's 3D printed. Of course, you got your little, from 3D printing with filament, you got your little bit of lines that we form on here, but these are very minor, and we're going to get these all sanded out and all this stuff cleaned up and looking really sharp. We're going to put a really nice paint job on this. I've actually got 2 of these kits. I'm building one for my client and one for myself. I'm going to be building them both at the same time. This is from 3D Trekkie, and as I said, he's right here in San Antonio, so that's pretty cool. Nice to have another Trek modeler guy right here in San Antonio. And this is just a fantastic kit, you guys. You can see that we've got the parts, and they're really authentic to the original Nomad. I'm just going to kind of take everything out of the box here and show it to you. Here's the, I believe that's part of the bottom plate. Now what he's done here too is he's incorporated magnets into the model itself so it can be broken down really easy. And if you got to service it, or we're going to see if this is battery powered. I haven't gotten into much of the detail yet about the electronics, but this kit does come with all of its own lighting, sound system. We have a little sensor that goes in here, motion detector type sensor, I imagine, that'll trigger the model whenever anybody walks into the room if you want to set it up that way, and it'll start talking and lighting up. So this is really, really going to be cool. And the fact that it's 1-to-1 scale is just totally awesome. I've always wanted to have one of these. I've seen these out there for a while. Just kind of going through and showing you some of the stuff that the kit comes with real quick here. We have this other little box, which I'll just kind of break open and show you what we've got in there. We've got a bunch of little detail kind of greelies that go all over the model. But we've also got these original type actual metal antennas that we saw that would extend on Nomad. So that's really a nice little feature. These actually do telescope, and we can add that extra bit of detail in there. Here's the internal light lenses in the correct colors that go inside here. We had a green, a red, and a yellow on the original model. I think the red was towards the top, but I'm going to go back and do all my research to make sure I get all this right. He's using these string lights for the lighting on the inside, and I've seen built-up versions of this, and it looks really, really good. It looks exactly like it should, so we're going to figure out how to set all this stuff up. I'm just trying to make sure I didn't miss anything here. That looks like it's about it, you guys. But yeah, this is going to be fantastic. And as I said, it'll take a little bit of work to get these cleaned up, but we're going to smooth these out really nice. I'll be doing a combination of sanding and then using some nice high build primer. We'll get these all smoothed out. We've got to paint the bottom panels here sort of a sort of an aluminum color, and then the rest of the bodies is sort of a medium gray. And this will just be really, really cool. And then we'll figure out some kind of a really neat base to set it on. But the nice thing about this is, even though it's going to be fairly tall, it's fairly narrow. So if you want to get one of these, you can put it in the corner of your room somewhere, like on a little shelf or whatever, and it'll fit in that corner nice and snug, and you'll have a really, really cool, Star Trek prop in full scale, which is just absolutely awesome. I just really, really love this. This is going to be really fun to work on, and can't wait to get started on it. So just in the next couple of weeks, guys, I'll be starting on it and start making video updates to share with you guys. So hope you guys will tune in and watch this. This is going to be a lot of fun to put together, and like I said, can't wait to start. And again, it's 3dtrekkie.com if you guys are interested in getting one of these. So we'll catch up to you again real soon. Again, happy holidays, everybody. We'll be back in the next couple days with another video, and we'll see you then. Take care, and happy modeling, everyone.